What's the first rule about buying cheap coilovers?
What is the first rule about buying cheap coilovers?
They're not supposed to.
No, you're not supposed to. Where it was set.
So this is part of the reason why these get a bad reputation. That's a good 3, maybe 4 inches.
It's like
Yeah.
5-inch drop.
At least they're going to be stiffer, so it won't compress as much.
Yeah, you won't have to worry about that.
Yeah, and we could probably, put some preload on it and lift it up and adjust the height too.
Yeah.
I don't see the issue. Fasten down the top hats. Those fit pretty good.
15s.
Yeah, that's the right tool for the job.
I am the right tool for the job.
You are a tool.
It's a little shorter.
Is it?
I adjusted it down pretty far.
You adjusted it down pretty far?
Yeah.
Are there still threads in that though? In the bottom?
Yeah, it's about halfway.
Oh. That's probably safe.
Yeah, well, we've dealt with worse.
I'm sure. I'm on my way to the hardware store, as you cannot run the camber bolts with the coilovers. They are too massive to go through the slot. So let's go hope we can find some that'll work. There we go. That's everything that I grabbed from Cheryl. Here we go. Let's do the front and then do the back.
Okay.
So you don't need to lift that up. It's really pretty simple. You just 3 bolts, drop the 2 on there, and we already got this part sitting down. We, on the hub itself, gave it as much camber as you could to put it on the coilover. And there's a little bit to it. From this side to that side, there is a 1/8 of an inch difference in height, which, that's like nothing. But the rear is the same as this front from ground up to the fender. So we have to do this back one, and we'll go over that, and it's pretty simple.
Press it.
Come on! Power! Here, I'll smack it. I'll hit it with my purse.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Why don't you do that much today? Come on. Come on. A little fucking more. Nope. She's dead, Jake.
Well, damn.
1, 2.
Stick it through the top. I can't see it. Oh. Ow. Nope, not yet. There's one on. Just let me crawl into the trunk.
Where's the spacers?
Do what?
They gave you the spacers, didn't they?
No.
Yeah, just gave you some money.
Oh, they're in my jacket. Yeah. Did you see that these are a wee bit tall, so they stick the plug out? So when we were putting these in, the rears are about an inch, maybe an inch and a half difference, and the fronts are about 4. So we adjusted the fronts and now have 3 fingers or so that can go in there. And the rears, we pretty much left them as they were, but they seem to be working pretty good.
Feels good. Headlights look good.
They do. You good this way? Let's see if it's stiff.
Not bad.
Not as bad as a lot of people think it is.
It doesn't dip hard. Run out of gas.
That sucks.
Pulls a little bit.
Alignment.
A lot of it.
Hey.
A little stiffer.
Mm-hmm.
I think it'll just settle in. It'll be
Probably.
alright.
It's definitely not as
Bouncy
that
as
bad.
it was before. Well, anytime you'd hit a bump, you're like, "Brrrr."
Yeah.
The joke is terrible.
It's still slow.
Yeah, it feels like a race car.
It's like a Miata.
Don't have an air filter on it.
It'll be. Hey, we don't tell people that.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Who's
Yeah.
behind us?
Do love me hard ski.
We're buying a drink so we can have 4 quarters to vacuum the car, and I have 2 quarters. Yeet!
Yeet.
Yeet, let's do this.
Don't let it happen. Just take it all, please. Oh God. God, no.
I don't want to grab it!
We have to do it.
Oh, there's so much! Ah! Give me that, I'll throw it away.
Give me the okay.
Good this way.
Takes a while to shift.
Mm-hmm.
Good now. He's probably corners good going fucking left.
Probably.
Bump.
Probably not on ice.
I'd say that's decent.
Is it as rough as the Neon?
Honestly, I think this ride's a little bit better than Neon.
I'm thinking so.
Let's see if we can spin all 4 already. I don't know what the fuck that was, but I did not like it.
That sound?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
Let's see if we can get it again.
I kind of don't want to.
Oh, where's first?
Uh-huh. There's an FRS. Let's go race him.
That's Randy.
Oh. I don't know who Randy is.
Blue C10.
Oh, gotcha. I mean, this can't be slower than that, can it?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I can.
That's pretty
easy.
sad.
Pretty easy. Ooh, spinning.
So they actually made decent power for an NA car.
Yeah,
They're
well,
still slow.
They made like what, 180? No, they made 200 horse, didn't they?
I think that's what they rated at, or 210. Someone correct me on that. You know, this isn't that terrible.
I mean, 1 to 10. I give it a solid 7 so far.
I was gonna say 6.5 because it's really difficult to impress me.
That's a good point. That's a good point. It is. But I mean,
65
honestly,
is still passing.
besides wheel bearings,
Mm-hmm.
which that's next on the list, and add some fucking camber.
It's a little bit stiffer.
It's honestly not worse than it was. I think I can probably adjust the dampeners and stuff and go from there.
Yeah.
But I'm decently impressed. $260.
And you don't hear, like, when you go over something, you don't hear the
Boing, boing. That one was really bad. It sounded like those old door stoppers. Boing.
I do kind of like that.
It really tries, you know.
Too bad no one else probably likes
So
it.
you do that, you know, you pull out, hit second, you're like, yeah, 25.
Oh, yeah.
25 mile per hour.
Exactly.
If you really want to act bad, you're like, yeah, it's 45 kilometers.
4,500 RPM.
40? Yeah, it's like 6.
So we'll jump that off there. Hope you all enjoyed. That was fun. And we'll see y'all next time. We got something else coming that
Yeah.
hope everyone's going to enjoy. Stay tuned.